of life are we living for the future? Posterity will judge us. Or to one up, what them penny fire trappier, the presidency attempt, can influence unprintable works. Actually, presidency no. Obia journalist be Pia Bontia Babeka. Said the oil and ye. Have you wondered why today a Caribbean and social media no diatem? That is the result of what Captain Smart is doing. Oba, now Wababe pet public sympathy, populist approach. We are building a nation. We are not building a party. Of course, we should be building a nation. I agree. But I give him that, say we are building a nation. But I take it back. So nation builder, no, and young story won't set a good example for kids to learn. Now they would attempt the day now they two mutrim say, would you nipa now to one man? Just our bias in factory and son did. Captain Smart during Muhammad's time, what catch say Muhammad the worst president ever. Nanado Eba ye sick Ghana. The history of Ghana, President Papa Biya Onua Mahama. So the you that you are listening to him tomorrow, Obesa Kacho said the best president ever is Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you. The you listening to Captain Smart or catch that say the worst president in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. And then was it the best president in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. Same person. And then we'll catch us say the worst president in the history of Ghana, Akufo-Addo. Tomorrow, we'll catch us say the best ever, Akufo-Addo. People, Abubo Madwin, Ayo Madwin say, Omodie, Omaya Kokotako, they ombe were desperate politicians, and indeed, who pay power at all costs, no abe Jusika. Ojo abe Jusika na. Now after into a qua, the old person what you know, and no be cultural. This is not journalism. This is propaganda. Because in summer or more yet or your airwaves in this one, then you ask yourself, say, you know, I am passer, but who catch them say, Papa in your Miss me, I see when I go out. I see roads being tarred. I see hospitals being built. I see schools being built. I see factories. Now catch them say factory back ukra won't see ya. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? They mean we now say a nation building, and they one of the basic foundation of nation building is identification. And no na country be person factory be a person ba ukruma adia wo hwe any with data system. If you have a problem of identification, it's scare investors, because say me a banker, me man loan, me buy, and I give people loan. How do I find them? I buy way buy. I say let's build from the start. My identification system, and my idea here, and until you Ghana card, Nkrofo say because the journalists in the country, the paid stomach journalists in the country, you know. I wouldn't even call them bloggers who sit behind consoles and call themselves journalists, you know, are talking against it. So the very people they are misinformed. Inti Adiano, Obi Akras won't be Ubi to Ghana to date or near Ghana card. Yes, I will now opportunity, but ya can't say and yet to also on yet. Most sorry, so move for Ghana and I'm the to Europe. But Europe or more fundamentals a identity. Anything I will brutally could be a winning woman, police who are not chill. Because we believe we say, winning woman identity, ye nimwa. Who are acquaintance with deep bonny found who did. And it is ye natural. Now we need or more as you must send your bonny be a deep a see baby a young winnie say, what? Because he knew my identity, I walk through so bonny. Go inside, did ya? Wouldn't say security. Wouldn't say, deal with me, quite ya. You show me a big woman, yet. There are so many people among your bonny and comubidi, then so police station is so muffy a chinty. Wouldn't say a betchano. What did they make another? And that identification is security as people. But we have a political party who sees what is good for the country as their enemy. NDC, and they fought against it. They go stubborn academy. The whole MP comes on national television say they stubborn academy. It's like they are politics in the age. And the Captain Smart and someone called car yesterday. The president is into Galamsey. BNI show maybe you know what we don't know. If indeed the president is into Galamsey, you have evidence to prove that. Then we take the president on. So what is wrong? What is wrong? I say bloggers they should be disciplined because your airwaves I say today it is better listen to a blogger on Facebook than to listen to a radio station or because they are paid and they only say what the paymaster wants to hear. And into the Captain Smart ni ku omani ku guase ewuku asem. Eye den ena MPP elusu that vote. Uko elembele MP stood ojina ka se mekum etia Galamsey. Sesi papa no me no ka elembele former MP. Sesi o ye DC wo. You know why? The citizens around Elembele for catch and say, "Oh, you better try Benetia because you are fighting against Galamsey." You ba MP about to one so go to Elembele. Next said the Nanado vote and depreciate ye ewo. Next said the Nanado vote and depreciate ye ewo. And the people indeed voted against their MP. Those beating the war drums, monso na moye vulnerable, mon na ntokwane sisi cream, mo ho asem. Enti wakotwa ntro to omampanyi so, na se ya chewa. Amanfo abegina honum say journalism is under threat. Under what threat? Do you think say we are journalists until you are above the law? Because we are journalists until we are above the law. And then I may church say journalism no what you authenticated the news how they got to journal now they are better to. If you who may say this point to pay, you are not a journalist, you are a blogger. So we cannot call Captain Smart a journalist. He is a blogger. So the journalists in the country should see him as such. You won't say when you're journalist or a blogger. Because so what's your wouldn't one tipo ukrano by your own imagination and our cancer asem. And I see people and you are 200 be OD president at them. Move to me be a man no bab on Timbeka.